To ignore the power of paradigms to influence your judgment is to put yourself at significant risk when exploring the future. To be able to shape your future, you have to be ready and able to change your paradigm. Now let's think for a moment. Why is it that one person is sad and yet another person is happy? Why is one person joyous, prosperous, another person poor and miserable? Why is one person fearful and anxious, yet another full of faith and confidence? Why does one person have a beautiful, luxurious home, while another person lives out a meager existence in a slum? Why is it that one person healed themselves of so-called incurable diseases, while another continues to struggle? Why is it so many good, kind, loving people suffer in their minds and bodies? Why is it that one person is happily married, yet another very unhappy and frustrated? So, is there an answer to these questions in the workings of your subconscious mind? Well, the answer is absolutely yes. It lies in the paradigm. Paradigms are a multitude of habits. Now, the problem is, they're other people's habits. Paradigms are like a program that has been installed in your brain. It's a program that would more likely be installed by people that are very close to you, people that love you very much. These are more likely good people who wanted nothing but the very best for you. The people who were writing your program were giving you what they had, what they believed to be true. More than likely, what they were given when they were growing up. Now, unfortunately, they had no idea what they were really doing. They very well could have been programming you with limiting beliefs that will control the remainder of your life. You see, very few people actually understand the mind. Many parents believe that their primary job was simply for your physical well-being. They had really little or perhaps no knowledge at all of what was actually happening to you mentally. They generally believed that if you're clean and warm and well-fed, well, their job was done. So as you were growing up in this world, you're being programmed by everything that they were thinking. Whatever they were doing and whatever they were saying, their world was becoming your world. Now, cultures are founded on habits, work practices, attitudes, beliefs, and expectations, otherwise referred to as a cultural paradigm. So as you go through life armed with these paradigms, you will approach and react to the world around you, interpreting what you see and experience according to your shared understandings of those culturally determined guidelines. A paradigm shows you that there is a game called life, what that game is, and how you should play it successfully. A change in paradigm, then, is a change to a new game, a new set of rules. And when the rules change, the entire world will appear to be changing as well.